Hello dears, welcome to Beauty of a Heart. I'm Lilian, also known as Lulu. Today I'll be sharing with you dears another DIY Dupe palette, and today's palette will be the SIGMA Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette. Recently, there are many beautiful eyeshadow palettes released at the same time. As I'm cutting down on buying eyeshadow palettes and my current makeup style is back to the natural daily style, I am duping the colors of this SIGMA Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette and see if I will maximize the use of this palette if I were to buy it. If you dears are also makeup junkie like me who owns a lot of eyeshadow palettes and want to cut down on buying them, probably this video can inspire you to re-look at the current collection and see if you already own those color stories. For all we know, we already have these colors over and over again. And hopefully, this video can help you to decide better whether you should get this SIGMA Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you dears what are the Dupe Colours selected and the swatches over here. And also using these colors to do this eye makeup. And also my final thoughts about this SIGMA Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette. And for all of you dears who are watching my video right now, thank you so much for watching. It's my blessing to have you dears here. By the end of the video, I would love to hear from you. Will you be getting this SIGMA Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette? Thank you so much, and now let's get started. Cinderella is my most favorite princess, and today I'm trying to match up with a theme. So today I'm using this from ColourPop, the Cinderella collaboration. This is the Velvet Luxe Liquid Lipstick, and also Cinderella's from ColourPop. This is the highlighter. And I like this highlighter very much because this is very blinding, as you dears probably can see. Whenever I see myself in the camera, I feel that my cheeks are very plump up and very hydrated. And today I'm creating this light teal blue sparkling eye makeup to try to match her gown. And yeah, I feel that it's a little heavy and this eye makeup doesn't actually match my blouse. And I'm also wearing my blue accessory as much as possible. This is the new SIGMA Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette, which is a 14 pans eyeshadow palette retailing at $49 USD, and this is available now. There are 3 formulas in this palette, which are the matte, the metallics, and the shimmer. This palette is cruelty-free, vegan, lactose-free, and gluten-free. When I saw this palette, this quad over here, which is the blue-grey quartz, attracted me the most, and I find that this quad over here reflects the Cinderella's gowns the most. The last quad is the purple one, which I seriously do not know what it represents in the Cinderella story. When I was a little girl, I remember I read a Cinderella storybook, which is a non-Disney version. The party actually lasts for 3 nights instead of 1. So Cinderella wore 3 different gowns for these 3 nights. The blue is the famous one, but I cannot remember whether there is a purple gown. And the first quad over here seems to be the daily natural wearable type where we can use it for everyday purpose. I'm having fun duping this eyeshadow palette, and for duping this eyeshadow palette, I'm reaching out for my single eyeshadow as well as my eyeshadow palettes. I refer to a number of photos, but the main ones I'm referring to will be from Trend Mood, both the palette photo as well as the hand swatch photo. But when I was using these hand swatch photos to come out with the dupe colors, this hand swatch photo seems to be a bit yellowish, probably due to the lightings. And this morning, I just happened to saw this review video from Jen Felf. Jen is one of my most favorite beauty YouTuber because she is very down to earth, very honest, and very sincere. And she always buy a lot of makeups per week, and she will review one by one. I like her hand swatches, and usually she does her hand swatches very well, very pretty, and I will link her review videos in the description box below as well as on the screen. So for this video purpose, I'll be using her hand swatch photo. So dears, if you'd like to watch the review about these eyeshadow palettes, please hop over to Jen's video. Okay, again dears, pardon me for not looking at the camera because I'm referring to the handphone hand swatches over here as well as the palette photo on my computer screen. So I'm switching screen here and there. I like the prints on the eyeshadow because it is very Cinderella, but I'm just afraid that the prints on the eyeshadow palettes will fade after a while. And for the first color dupe, I got this color. This is a ColourPop single eyeshadow, and this is Now and Zen, which is a metallic warm, very light gold color, which is the color over here. Weird angle, yeah. I'm trying to match my hand swatch format with Jen's format. I find that for this first color dupe, this is very similar to the original color. Let's hop over to the second color, which is the pumpkin, which is a neutral brown color. Again, I got a single eyeshadow. This is from Sydney Grace. This is the color tangerine, which is the color over here. This is the second color. This is a matte warm medium orange color, and I feel that this is more orange than the original color, and the original color is more of an orangey brown light to medium color. Oh yeah, let me digress a little. I find that for this first color, which is Wishful and the dupe, this is a very pretty color if you are to wear it at the inner corners and also at the under the eyebrow bone. This is a beautiful highlight color. And usually for this kind of second color, this kind of matte neutral brown or orangey brown color, I will usually use this color on the crease. This is the third color, which is Fantasy. It is a shimmery purple color. I have referred to a number of photos, and for most of the palette photos I've referred to, this color actually seems to be a metallic pink instead of purple. And when I was using this photo to dupe the color story, I find that this color actually looks very pink more than purple. But Jen's hand swatch seems to be more purple than pink. So I guess this color seems to be pink and purple at different angles. So for myself, I will just choose this color over here, which is a metallic pink with a slight gold sheen. And this color is a single color from Amy Hart's Beauty. This is called Yacht, and this is a matte light to medium grey color. So the hand swatch shows that it has some green tone, but I don't think it has a green to it. So whenever I have a grey color to dupe, I'll reach out for this Colourpop Smoke Show palette. And I'm using this Slanted, which is a matte charcoal grey, which is this color over here. And I feel that this is a spot on. This is another color, one of a kind. It is a metallic shimmer silver color. I find that this silver in the hand swatch as well as the palette photo, it seems to be a subtle mount silver, and that's why I didn't reach out for the silver over here, which is Colourpop Smoke Show or Blowing Smoke palette. They have renamed this palette. The silver inside here is very vibrant. Let me just show you the color, just in case you dears cannot visualize. They are metallic silver, which is a very vibrant silver. And I find that the Sigma silver seems to be more toned down, more muted, more subtle, more gentle, like Cinderella. So that's why I'm reaching out for Colourpop again. I'm using 7 colors from Colourpop to dupe this palette, which is half of this palette. So I'm using this color Heavenly to dupe the color. And this is a metallic light warm aqua color, which is the color over here. Doesn't this silver seems to be more subtle? And when I look at this color comparing to the hand swatch, it seems almost a spot on, very similar. And next, this is another matte color. This is a matte aubergine color. So when I saw this color, I immediately reached out for my Makeup with Rising Phoenix. The color name is aubergine, and this is a matte aubergine color. Is the color over here. Later on, I will show you the full hand swatch because I know that this is a very weird angle to show you this. And this color looks exactly the same as the original color. This is the last color of the first row, which is Charming. This is a yellow gold metallic. This magnetic palette is not wide enough for me to put the 7th color here, so I'm putting the last color of the row over here. This is Carrot Cake, and this is from Colourpop, which is a single eyeshadow, and this is a metallic bright yellow gold, which is the color over here. I think my lighting washes this gold. I don't think you guys can see much from the screen. So to me, these two colors looks exactly the same. This is the first color from the second row, and this is Mischievous, which is a matte black. I got this matte black over here from Sydney Grace Single Eyeshadow, and this is the color Midnight, and this is a matte black color. They both look the same, except that when I'm referring to the hand swatch photos over here, I find that the dupe somehow seems to be a little more creamy than the Sigma formula. Anyways, the matte formula in Sydney Grace is also very good, and they are very easily blendable and pigmented and also creamy. This is Dressmakers, which is a metallic peachy gold color. Also have a metallic peachy gold from again Colourpop, which is the single eyeshadow. This is Ringer, but this color is more to the light medium peach with gold sheen, which is the color over here. Actually, I can't tell much difference between the original and the dupe colors. This is Cinders, which is a brown matte color, but it seems to be more of the orangey matte brown medium to dark color. I can only find this color from Colourpop again, which is Martian. This is the one. But this color is a matte with sparkle formula. But Colourpop matte with sparkle formula to me is just a matte color, because the sparkle will fade and disappear when we apply the colors on the eyes. So this is Martian, which is a matte with sparkle warm medium dark copper. Is the color over here. Somehow again I feel that this color looks more orangey than the original color. The original color has a more orangey brown tone to it, but this Martian seems to be more orangey than brown. This is Sweet Nightingale, which is a metallic turquoise green. Again, I find that this color looks different from one photo to another photo. In some of the photo, it looks more of a turquoise green, but with another photo, it looks more to a light teal blue color. So anyway, I have actually two options, but I'm using this first option first, which is this color over here. And this is from Amy Hearts Beauty again. I don't have the name of this color because there is no label and there is no sticker. And the website is closed, I cannot check my previous purchase history. So this is a metallic light teal blue with sparkle. The other option I have over here is from Colourpop again. This palette, the Zodiac, which is a collaboration between Colourpop and Kathleen Lights. And this color is the Pisces, which is my horoscope. This is a metallic aqua green. So this color is more of the green side, whereas the Amy Hearts Beauty single eyeshadow is more of the blue side. But for this video, I'm using this light teal blue instead of this aqua. This is Hopeful, which is a matte indigo blue. I got my dip color from this Sydney Grace Winter Bundle 2017, but this bundle has already been discontinued. This is the color Ice Fishing. And this is a matte navy blue. It actually has very tiny little sparkles in it, but when I apply on the eyes, it is not obvious. And this is the color over here. I'm also using this color today at the both end of the upper eyelid, as well as the crease transition color and the both ends at the lower lash line. And I'm also using this light teal blue color in the center of the eyelid. Anyway, I will show you the eye makeup look demo at near to the end of the video. And this is the color BBD Bobbidi Boo. And this is a metallic purple with turquoise glitter. I like this purple because purple is one of my favorite eyeshadow colors, and I was taking high and low for this color dupe. Finally, I got this color from Makeup with Rising Phoenix. This is Pandora Box. This is a metallic lavender color with a subtle pink, turquoise, and silver sparkles. And I'm very happy to find this color because when I was comparing this color to the original color, I find that both looks almost the same, very identical. And I find that the Dupe Colours from the Makeup Rising Phoenix seems to be more opaque than the Sigma colour. So I'm not so sure whether this colour from the Sigma Cinderella eyeshadow palettes is meant to be a topper, or maybe different photos show it differently. But I find that these two are very identical to one another. The thing about metallic colours with different colours of glitters is that it can be quite hard to find a dupe colour for that. So I'm happy to find one. Stroke of Midnight. This is a matte dark brown colour. The last colour, which is a square pen over here. Ignore this aqua, let me just put it one side. Okay. This is Cool Cola, and this is from the ColourPop Sparkler Quartz. They have a lot of quartz eyeshadow. So this is the last color from the Sparkler Quartz. And this color is the color over here, which is a matte, rich blackened brown. So I'm comparing this color to the Jen's hand swatch. Jen's hand swatch color seems to be a cooler brown than this. This brown seems more to the warm brown. I would say for these two colors, the undertone may be a little different. Now this is my final thoughts. Initially, when I was duping this palette, I was actually quite worried that I will have a lot of problems finding some of the colors, and especially for the light teal blue, because this color reflects Cinderella's gowns the most. But I was quite surprised I'm able to find a close match to a lot of colors. Not all, but a lot. And just basing on the Dupe Colours story over here, I can see that there are some natural colors, so we can create a daily natural look with the natural colors. And there are also purples, which I can imagine for myself. I can use this kind of metallic purple with sparkle on the entire eyelid, combining with this matte opposite color on the crease to create a romantic look. I can also use some dark colors over here to create a dark, sultry, smoky look. So I guess for this color story, we can create a number of different looks, and this is quite a versatile palette, I would say. But having said that, because recently I like to do a very light, natural, plain eye makeup look, I am not really tilted towards to this palette. I can imagine myself when I bought this palette, I will just admire as it is in the palette form. Probably it will be my exhibition piece as well, but I won't be touching the colors as much as I wish to. So it's more of a white elephant to me. Especially since I find that I got a close dupe for a lot of colors over here, I will not want to get this palette. How about you dears? I hope that this video can help you to decide better if you should get this Cinderella eyeshadow palette or to relook at your current collection. And now dears, it's your turn to share with me. Will you be getting this Sigma Disney Cinderella eyeshadow palette? Please comment in the comment section below. The best comment will be featured in my upcoming videos. And last but not least, here's an inner beauty tip for us to be more beautiful and more wise. From Cinderella, no matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. Thank you dear so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe and click the bell notification button below for my future videos. I like to do beauty products review. If this is your cup of tea, please join in my YouTube family. If you'd like to connect with me more, please visit me at my Instagram and Facebook platform. The address will be over here on the screen. May you dears have a peaceful, blissful and joyful week ahead. See you next time. Bye! And before I go, please check out these two videos over here. Thank you!